Today we shall start with activity based costing, which is also known as ABC. Okay. Um, Now, what is activity based costing? Suppose we have company A. Company A manufactures two products. So, suppose three products: pen, pencil, eraser, in a single manufacturing unit. Okay. In the same factory, company is manufacturing pen, pencil and eraser. Now, you are paying rent for the manufacturing unit, you are paying lighting for the manufacturing unit, you are paying other overheads for this manufacturing unit. Now, you need to divide these expenses, these overheads. You need to divide these overhead expenses among pen, pencil and eraser in a scientific manner. Okay. Because in order to find out the selling price, of a product, we first need to find out the cost price of the product. Okay. Without finding out the cost price, you cannot add profit to that cost price and cannot find out the selling price. We will first estimate the cost, then add profit to it. Then what we will get is selling price. Okay. So cost estimation is a very vital portion. Okay. Now cost can be divided in two parts: direct cost and indirect cost. Indirect cost means overhead. Direct costs are those costs which are allocated to this product directly. Means we know how much direct cost has been incurred for pen, how much for pencil, how much for eraser. Now our task is to divide the indirect cost, which cannot be individually allocated to the product, which is as a whole. The indirect expenses incurred for these three items as a whole, and you cannot divide it equally. If you divide it equally, a pen will cost 50 rupees, a pencil will cost 48 rupees, and eraser may cost 47 rupees. Okay, nearby. It's 50, it's 48, 47. It's not the difference is not in the indirect cost. The difference is in the direct cost. Okay, maybe pencil's direct cost is less, that is why 2-3 paisa is coming less. Otherwise, since you are dividing overhead equally, the pricing will be coming like this. But do you ever purchase a eraser for 47 rupees? No. An eraser may cost maximum 10 rupees. A pen depends upon its variety, cost 10 to 50 to 100 to more, 500,000 rupees. Depends upon the quality of the pen. A pencil costs 5 rupees. Okay. Now, why is this difference in cost even if they get manufactured in the same unit? Apsara produces pencil, Apsara produces erasers, Apsara produces pen. Fine. So, how do the cost is different? The cost is different because they divide overhead on a scientific basis. ABC is a technique of dividing overhead